Hi guys, welcome to Tech Assist. In this video I want to show you how you can run a search throughout your organization. So it's going to be more for the Office 365, Microsoft Office 365 administrators. How you can search, how you can run a search throughout your organization, throughout your company for the emails that you're looking for, let's say the keywords or the email that was sent and received by one of your employees or maybe many employees. This might happen if you are getting like a subject data requests or right to be forgotten from someone that you need to delete all the emails or all the content from your organization. So yeah, without any further ado, guys, stay tuned in and have a look at what steps you can perform to run the search. So I'm gonna minimize myself here, but before I do that, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, make a comment and share the videos. It would be great, guys. Okay, thanks for that. Thank you. So let's go down here. So first of all, what I'm gonna show you guys, the first thing is that I'm gonna send an email to myself, to my company. Okay, so let's go here and I'm gonna put my address. So I'm gonna hide that. Okay, test. Okay, and I'm gonna send this now. So that went to my company, and I'm gonna go to my company OWA. So that's the Outlook Online. So there it is. Tech Assist contact has arrived. So I know that the email is there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna perform a search. So first of all, what you need to do, of course, guys, is go to portal.office.com. So if you logged into your company, you should be getting this portal from Microsoft. Okay, so click on administrator, admin on the left hand side. Now admin centers, compliance, so that's where we're gonna go. Okay, so I'm gonna click on that now. It opens new tab. It's called now Purview, Microsoft Purview. I don't know how to pronounce that, Purview. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the content search. Okay, so on the left hand side, click on content search, and I'm gonna run the new search. So I'm gonna put T search, spelling, T search. Okay. Description, you can put something there if you want. If you don't have to, just click on next. Exists. Okay, so I'm gonna run 2. Next. Now in this part is very important because you can run a search throughout the Exchange mailboxes in your company, as well as SharePoint sites and which is the OneDrive, everything. So all the documents and everything that has the name, the keyword that you're gonna type in the on the second page. So this time I'm gonna select everything. So I'm just gonna see if there's anything there containing my email address, tech@assist.com. Okay, so and then next. So and I'm gonna put action condition. You could put contact at tech@assist.com. Okay, I'm gonna copy that. So that's the keyword I'm gonna be looking for, and then I'm gonna as well use this condition sender. So that's gonna be looking for whatever was sent from this address. Click on next, submit. Okay, so now that's done. Now the search is going to come up here. Okay, so it's saying here search now, it's starting. So now it's gonna take a moment to search throughout the organization, throughout my company, and I'm gonna pause the video now, okay, and I'm gonna just come back when it's completed, okay, and I'm gonna show you the results, okay. So welcome back, guys. This has finished now, so I have the status completed. Now if you noticed, probably I had to reopen the session in Edge. Why in Edge? I'm just gonna explain that to you. So if I'm gonna go to the search results, okay, I'm gonna try to open that. Now you have here an actions, okay, so you click on actions. Now there's an option here, export results. You click on that. So I'm gonna check if my email is there. So you have here an option on the right hand side, export results. Your previous search results will be unavailable to download after you run this action. So because I've run it before, I have this message, but I'm just gonna click on export. So this will take a while as well. So it's preparing a report. It's gonna show you all the emails and items that was found. So in order to check the report, on the top here, click on export. Okay, and I'm gonna just sort that by the date. So that's my export here. So that's the export that have been run before. I click on that. It's now it's refreshing. So I'm gonna tell you why you need to open this in Chrome, in Edge, sorry, not in Google Chrome, because Microsoft wants you to use their own system. This part works only with Edge browser. So that's gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna pause the video again. Okay, so that's ready now, and you see here an option, download results. So I'm gonna click on that. Now it's asking me open this file. So it is Microsoft Office a Unified Explorer tool application. So it's asking you to run this. Click on open. This is now a launching application connecting to the Discover Export tool. Okay, this one works in Edge, so you need to get into your Office 365 admin portal from Edge. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the key that it's asking here, and I'm gonna paste that key here, and then it's asking me where I want to download the files, the export the report, okay, itself. I'm gonna go to report, and I'm gonna just take this report in there, start. So now this is downloading all the results. It's downloading the content itself as well as the results. I'm gonna check if the email that I sent to myself at the beginning of the video is there. So it's completed. I can close it now successfully. I go to downloads, take export, so that's here, and I'm gonna open the results. Okay, that's an Excel CSV file. Opens the, so as you can see here, it found 4 emails. That's the one that I sent today, and it was sent. That's the one that I sent today. So that's the email here, this one. If I go back to my, that's my email. Okay, that's this email, and it found the previous emails that was indexed by the system, by Microsoft system before. So this is I know that this was found, okay, by the system itself. So I'm gonna close this now. Don't save it. I'm gonna go back to the result itself. Okay. So now, if I want everything that was found in this search to be deleted by the Microsoft system, I need to connect to Microsoft. Let me just get this rid of it. I need to connect to Microsoft compliance and security via PowerShell. Okay, it's actually very easy to do. I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna show. Sorry, it's just something here popping up to me. That's okay. So it's I'm using PowerShell version 7. Okay, so I'm gonna right click on that and run as administrator. Now you can download PowerShell 7 from Microsoft website. I'm gonna give you the download link in the description. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna now connect to my tenancy. Okay, I'm gonna connect to my organization through PowerShell. So to do so, I need to first install module name ExchangeOnlineManagement. So I have this command here. I'm gonna put those commands. So I need to make sure that the module ExchangeOnlineManagement is installed. So I'm gonna install that now. Okay. So now it's installing the module itself. Okay. Now it takes a while, but it shouldn't take that long. So I'm gonna just click yes on that. So that's done, and I'm gonna connect now. Connect connect-IPPSSession. And this is where I should get a pop-up window on my browser. I'm getting that on the second screen here to log in using my credentials as well. Two-factor authentication option should come up for you as well if you have that set up on your tenancy. Okay. So now that this is now connected, I'm just waiting for this to come up. Yeah, that's it. So we have the comments here. So what I want to do now, I'm gonna check the search results, the search that I run if it's on the list. Okay, so I'm gonna compliance, I think action. Yeah, so that's it. That's gonna give you compliance search action. That command is gonna give you the list of all the actions, all the searches that was performed. So I have it. That's mine is here. Okay, T search to T search. So that's, and it's saying export. So it's giving me an option that was completed. So I know it's there. So what I want to do is I want to purge everything that was there. So anything that was found in that search to be deleted, removed from Microsoft accounts, from everyone's mailbox in our organization. Okay, so the command for that is new-compliance SearchAction search, and I'm gonna just do T search 2. I'm gonna put that command in the command as well in YouTube description. Okay, HardDelete. So that's gonna try to delete everything, even if it's something in deleted items, and as well as on the server, on the Microsoft Exchange Online server. Okay, so I'm just gonna press on that. Now this is very interesting, so I was gonna press yes. This is where confusion comes up. Okay, so I'm getting an error here that the Purge does not support SharePoint or OneDrive workload. So which means that in order to get all the emails to be deleted from my organization, I need to get back to that search, and I need to edit it in order to just go and search throughout all the emails. Exclude SharePoint, exclude OneDrive, exclude other positions. So I'm gonna show you that now. Okay, so I'm gonna go it again here. So I'm gonna open that search, actions, edit search, next. So this is the part where I need to unselect. So I'm gonna untick off for the Exchange public folders and off for SharePoint sites. That's including OneDrive and everything that is or SharePoint team sites and anything that it's. So I'm just gonna leave Exchange mailboxes. Okay, next. So I'm gonna leave everything else the same. Next, submit. Submitting. So that's gonna rerun the search. It's gonna find the same emails it hasn't found before. It's starting now. It's gonna take a while again. It hasn't found anything in OneDrive or in my organization, anything in the SharePoint. It's just found an email, but I want to delete all the emails only. So that's why I'm running this again, but I'm excluding OneDrive, SharePoint, and any other locations except mailboxes, except Exchange Online. So I'm gonna pause the video now, and I'm gonna just refresh, keep refreshing here. So we're just gonna put refresh. It should come up. So it says starting. When it says starting, then after a while it should be saying in progress. If you refresh again, and after that it should be saying completed. Okay, so let me just pause the video now, and I'll be back in a second. So guys, this is now completed. Okay, it took a while, around 5 minutes for me, and so this is now completed. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna get back to my PowerShell, and I'm just gonna press top arrow to run the same command. Okay, and then enter and click yes. So now you have this different message here. So it's saying status in starting, purge. So it doesn't give me the error message that does not support SharePoint, because it's running through to the emails. Okay, so if I'm gonna go and press top arrow to check that again, it should give you another status in progress. So you see that it's in progress, so it's deleting, it's searching through, it's actually going through that search name, search content, and it's deleting everything. So I'm just gonna press that again. Completed. So now I can go and check in my email if that mail is there. And you see, guys, it's gone. That email is gone now. And if I'm gonna search tech contact tech assist, there's nothing there. All folders, everything. So it's not there, even deleted items, nothing. So it's gone. So this purge actually it's removing. Option purge, action purge is removing everything from your search results, okay? Now remember that you need to search throughout the Exchange mailboxes only. If you're looking for something in OneDrive, you can run the same thing, but it's not gonna work. The purge, deleting everything in from the Exchange, from the PowerShell. What you can do if you find something and you want to delete from some users OneDrive or SharePoint, you just need to go there based on the search results. Looking throughout the SharePoint and delete items from there. That's the best way. But this is the best way to remove all the emails. Now, if you're gonna run this search again, it will still show you the results the same. Even though it has been removed from my mailbox, it's still gonna give you the results, because this is the indexing of Microsoft system, that it's gonna keep the indexed items for a while, so it's gonna have to be refreshed some systems. So if you're gonna run the same search in about, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, it should give you result 0. So yeah, guys, I hope that you liked the video. If you have any comments, give me a shout. If I did something wrong or you want to correct me on the video as well, I would be appreciate that in the comments. I would really appreciate that in comments. And yeah, guys, if you like the video, like my channel, like the video, subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. Okay, guys, thanks very much. Take care.